साला बंदूक भी दिखाता है और पीछे भी हटता है। आए।
जीत हमेशा मोहब्बत का हुआ है। सदियों से यही होता आया है, यही होगा।
रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप होते हैं, नाम है शहंशाह।
Hi, this is Amitabh Bachchan, would you believe it?
And you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
BollywoodHungama.com. BollywoodHungama.com. Enjoy.
The superstar and the survivor, Amitabh Bachchan has played many different roles at different junctures of his life. We saw the skyrocketing career and the mass hysteria of his fans for him in the last episode. And now we step into the life-changing phase of this mega star. Only on Bollywood Hungama celebrates Big B's 70th birthday. In the year 1984, Amitabh Bachchan stepped into politics in order to support his longtime friend Rajiv Gandhi after the sad demise of Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Mr. Bachchan contested from the Allahabad Lok Sabha seat for the Lok Sabha elections and won with a huge margin. His political career was clouded with the Bofors scandal, for which Amitabh Bachchan and his brother Ajitabh Bachchan were named as the two of the accused. He then decided to leave politics completely and resigned. He was later acquitted of all the charges.
The matter is over. We went to court and we won all the cases there. So it was clear a long time ago of what we had been saying. It's just that the perception in the minds of the people was different. I'm happy that now, even after 25 years, what is disturbing really is that the Swedish investigator, the police chief, saying that our names were planted deliberately there. That is disturbing. But now it's all over and done with. Best to let it lie that way.
After quitting politics for good, Amitabh Bachchan decided to make a comeback with Shahenshah, released in the year 1988. The film did reasonably well at the box office, but the tag of Shahenshah continues to be coined for Big B till date. In the coming years, Amitabh Bachchan cut down the number of films he did as an actor and had few hits and most misses from the year 1988 to 1992. Main Azad Hoon, Ganga Jamna Saraswati and Khuda Gawah were average grossers at the box office.
इस इम्तिहान में तुम्हारी जान भी जा सकती है।
वो तो पहले ही कुर्बान हो चुकी है तुम पर, बेनजीर बादशाह खान।
अगर ऐसा हुआ तो बेनजीर तुम्हारी हो जाएगी।
बेनजीर।
Whereas Agnipath, released in the year 1990, gave Amitabh Bachchan National Award but failed at the box office.
पहली मुलाकात में मैं तुमको क्या बोला? मेरा नाम विजय दीनानाथ चौहान। पूरा नाम समझा? पूरा नाम? हाँ, अभी समझा। बाएं हाथ से काम करो तो दाएं हाथ को मालूम नहीं होना चाहिए।
या अग्निपथ। वृक्ष हो भले खड़े हो बड़े हो घने, एक पत्र छाह भी मांग मत। अग्निपथ। तू न थमेगा कभी, तू न रुकेगा कभी, तू न मुड़ेगा कभी, कर शपथ। अग्निपथ। ये महान दृश्य है, चल रहा मनुष्य है, अश्रुश्वेद रक्त से लथपथ। Agnipath.
The only film that worked well commercially was Hum, released in the year 1991, for which Amitabh Bachchan won his 4th Filmfare Award in the Best Actor category. After the 1992 release Khuda Gawah, Amitabh Bachchan went on a self-imposed sabbatical from acting.
जिसके लिए मजनू ने सैराब की खाक छानी, उसी मोहब्बत के लिए काबुल का ये पठान सरजमीन हिंदुस्तान से मोहब्बत का खैर मांगने आया है.
For me personally as an actor, our greatest award is the success of the film and the recognition that we get from the people.
During the temporary retirement, Amitabh Bachchan decided to give a shot at being a producer and started off Amitabh Bachchan Corporation Limited, a media enterprise with operations ranging from film production, distribution, marketing and event management. ABCL launched in the year 1996 with its first release Tere Mere Sapne, which launched careers of actor Arshad Varsi and South actress Simran. Although the film garnered decent reviews, it failed to shine at the box office.
सपने खिले यारों के दिल मिले कहीं पे जाम है कहीं प्यास है यही है यार जिंदगी के सिलसिले.
ABCL continued to produce films in Hindi as well as in regional languages like the Telugu hit Gulabi and Tamil financial failure Ulasam, released in the year 1996 and 97. With Mrityu Datta and Major Saab, Amitabh Bachchan attempted to resurrect his career but got meager success.
एक पंजाबन, गोरी पंजाबन, हे गोरी पटाखा दिल चुरा के ले गई, हे सोना सोना, हे दिल मेरा सोना.
चलो गुलेल बनाए, बीर कहन चलो गुलेल बनाए, फत्ते कहन चलो गुलेल बनाए, हम कहा चलो हमाओ गुलेल बनाए. तो ईर बनाए ईर गुलेल, बीर बनाए बीर गुलेल, फत्ते बनाए 3 गुलेल हमार.
After a few more financial setbacks, ABCL was declared a failed company due to its rising debts. With films and the ambitious company not working, Amitabh Bachchan faced a dead end. Even during the darkest hours of the actor's life, there were a few silver linings, like the successful acting ventures like Bade Miyan Chote Miyan, released in the year 1998. But then it was being called as a Govinda enterprise and not a Big B special.
धीरे-धीरे दलदल में अंदर धंसता चला जा रहा.
देख क्या रहे हो? डरने की बात है सालो, डरो.
समझ में नहीं आ रहा था अपनी जान कैसे बचाऊं. अचानक एक आइडिया आया. पड़ोस वाले गांव में गया, रस्सी लेकर आया, खुद को निकाला, यहाँ आ गया.
बड़े बहुत लंबा लंबा छोड़ रहे हो. शराफत को तो निकाल ही चुके हैं. इससे पहले वो दोनों आ जाए, हम लोग दोनों निकल लें.
हाँ ठीक है.
Eventually, it was Yash Chopra's Mohabbatein, released in the year 2000, which played a major role in resurrecting his career, and he officially gave up the young hero's avatar and decided to take up roles befitting his age and stature.
आप ही ने मुझे बताया था कि लोग मुझसे डरते हैं. वो मुझसे डरते हैं और आपसे मोहब्बत करते हैं, है ना? लेकिन एक बात जान लीजिए मिस्टर आर्यन, कि मोहब्बत और डर की जंग में जीत हमेशा डर की होगी.
And if I call myself an actor, then I must be ready to do whatever comes my way.
The most fruitful and surprising phase of Big B was yet to come. But for all that, you'll have to check out the last episode of Bollywood Hungama celebrates Big B's 70th birthday. For the time being, we leave you with some of the memorable quotes from the actor in his Bollywood Hungama exclusive interviews.
If I'm happy with the person that I'm working with, I will continue working.
The original is an original, and one would hope that that would be maintained.
I ideally would just like to play the character and thank you very much and go home. Who am I to question the audience?
I just consider myself very fortunate to be able to get some work.
Bollywood Hungama News Network.